Hi everyone, so this is Team Datalyze, and I'm Kartavya Singh, a computer science senior at the University of Cincinnati.
And I'm Shivam Kharangate. I'm a fourth year junior at the University of Cincinnati as well, majoring in computer science.
Perfect, and this is our project Datalyze. So in Datalyze, you can either get started and create an account, or you can just log in with an account that you already have. Once you do, you can kind of see all the analyses that have happened and how many are complete. If there's anyone in progress, you can stop them and delete them as required. There's also a settings page where you can kind of update your profile, update information about your company, check all the uploaded files from your company's side, and also set preferences on what track of analyses you would want. So we have 4 tracks, which is the predictive deep analysis, automation strategy, business optimization, and supply chain and operation. So furthermore, we have Datalyze chat.
And within Datalyze chat, all the files that you input, you can ask any questions regarding on how can you get actual business insights out of it. But from our testing so far, it is more useful based on the insights it gives you after the workflow that we will demonstrate so that you can clarify more on the insights it provides you.
All right, so on the upload page, you can set your analysis track, select all the files as you want, and choose your file, and you can start analysis. So as soon as the upload is ready and the analysis starts, we have an orchestration model that kind of shows up. So what is this orchestration model showing? We have an orchestrator, which is a large model big brain, which decides every move of the analysis that is happening in the pipeline. We have orchestrated 24 agents working parallelly at the same time, getting all of the information that is required for your analysis to complete. And then this orchestrator also saves all of the memory context and all of the artifacts that it needs to save from the pipeline.
So for testing purposes, we have had a demo account where you can see all the specific insights that we were generated. So if we just choose the supply chain analysis, for example, going inside that, you can see based on the orchestration and knowledge graph, it did the exact same thing that Kartavya just talked to you about. And let's go in depth about the actual insights that it generated. So as you can see, it gave you the analysis outputs, gave you some recommendations in terms of automations, gave you some graphs, and this is all happening in real time as there are 24 different agents working together to ensure that it's always dynamic to the response depending on the data that you give it. And based on the track that you chose, if let's say we talk about just predictive analysis, it's the same process where we show you the orchestrator diagram with the rest of the agent architecture and also shows you the forecast as well with the data that you gave us. For every different types of data set, the response is different as it's dynamic and tailored so that there is an agent that aggregates it, there's an agent that decides what to do with it. And over there, as you can see in the end, it also gave you an automated report as well of what to go about.
If you are a startup company and you have raw data, just Datalyze. You're going to have all the business insights on the go.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.